In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a client portal in ClickUp. If you're ready to take your client management to the next level, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in by getting started with ClickUp. First, you'll need to navigate to the ClickUp platform. If you don't already have it open, go ahead and do that now. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find a section labeled Team Spaces. This is where you manage everything related to your team and projects. Go ahead and locate the three dots, which are typically found beside this section. This icon serves as a menu that will allow you to access additional options. Next, click on these three dots to open up a submenu. From the options available, select Templates. This is where ClickUp helps you work more efficiently by reusing structures that have been proven effective. Templates can save you significant time and effort, especially when building something as comprehensive as a client portal. Once you've clicked on Templates, look for the Browse Templates button. This will take you to ClickUp's vast library of templates, applicable for various needs and customized structures. When you're ready, click on Browse Templates to find a preset that suits your needs. In the search bar that appears, type in the word Client. This specific search query will help filter out templates that are specifically designed to manage or engage with clients. It's a great way to hone in on what's necessary for building a fully functional client portal. As you scroll through the available options, you can click on the boxes under template types to refine your search further. This allows you to view different categorizations that ClickUp has set, making it straightforward to choose a viable option. After adjusting your filters, take a moment to look through the templates that are suggested. Carefully review the designs and structures so you can choose the one that aligns best with your business needs. When you've made your selection, click on the corresponding template to preview its setup. Now that you've found the ideal template, it's time to put it into action. Click on Use Template to begin the customization process. You will be prompted to type in a name for this new space, so name it Client Portal to keep everything organized and easily accessible in the future. Once more, to finalize and implement your selected template, you'll need to click Use Template. At this point, your new client portal will be created within ClickUp, offering you a streamlined space to engage, communicate, and collaborate with your clients effectively. Congratulations, you've now built a client portal in ClickUp. This powerful tool will enhance your client interactions and improve your overall project management workflow. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy ClickUpping!